There's my moment. There you go.
There we go. I'm going to go all over 10BG. For me, it's like the frosted tips.
Ooh.
Peak 90s. Think like Justin Timberlake, you know how he had like noodles?
I want to say the noodle hair.
It's mainly on men. David Beckham came out with blonde hair and then every man and their dog decided to bleach their hair and they all look like tennis balls running around. I was like, absolutely not. The trend now is cutting their own hair and what they do, it's like a mullet but not. It's kind of short on top and then they shave a square from here.
Oh,
Here.
yes. Yeah, I know. But you know what? There was a moment as well when it was the comb over and people were also shaving their own hair and they were exposing the round of their hair.
Yes, yes.
And like that's
look like
not okay.
Lego
it looks like
men.
A pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple. Budgie smugglers.
What?
Because it's a budgie and you're smuggling them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Budgie smugglers, yeah. That's literally what they're called.
And do they actually wear Speedos and not like board shorts?
Speedos, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Board shorts were cool like in the 90s, early 2000s.
Now it's a Speedo thing.
It's Speedos. I don't think it makes you go any faster, but I'm like, you're not speeding anywhere. But no, they're called budgie smugglers. All the footy players, like every guy, they all wear them to the beach.
You call them footy players?
Footy players, yeah. What do you call them?
Football player.
Oh. Footy, mate. Footy.
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 Hey, yes.
I've had some absolute doozies. I thought at one point that if I dyed my hair black and it was long, that I would look like Ruby Rose because I've got tattoos. And it turns out I don't at all look like Ruby Rose. But then I also went through a moment of like, I'm going to shave the sides of my head and have like a kind of quiff. I'm going to look like Miley Cyrus. I don't look like Miley Cyrus. Bam, 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 bam. Can't handle it, this thing.
Crazy little thing called love.
Yeah! Odd.
Cheers. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. Don't drink it. Like.
So if a client comes in and they've got, you know, super, super long hair and I know them so well, I've been working on them for a very long time, we've got a great relationship and they come to me and they go, right, I need to cut it off and give myself a fringe and go dark. So I sit next to them and say, what's really going on? Well, let's talk about life.
You know what they say about a fringe? They say, do you want a fringe or do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, there you go, yeah.
Oh, shit. You broke it!
I'm not going to do that. It's going to whack you.